Ever tried swapping tools faster than you can say let's get to work? Well, the Makera Z1 promises exactly that. Plus a whole lot more, but is it too good to be true? Let's find out together. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're into precision machining and are tired of your old clunky tools slowing you down, I've got something you need to check out. Today we're diving into the Makera Z1, a machine that's shaking up the industry. Is it legit or is it just another overhyped gadget? Stick around, you don't want to miss this. First off, let's talk about tool changes. The Z1 comes with a quick change mechanism that allows you to swap out tools in seconds. No more wasting time with manual adjustments. Just click, swap, and get back to work. Simple, right? It's honestly a game changer for staying in the zone. Now onto the auto probing and leveling. This is a feature I didn't know I needed until I had it. The Z1 automatically probes your workpiece, detects thickness, and levels it in real time. No more eyeballing and hoping it's perfect. Your cuts are dead on every time. And here's a little bonus, the aero dust collection system. We've all been there, dust flying out everywhere, making a mess of your workspace. But with this, the Z1 uses a high pressure blower to keep everything clean, letting you focus on your work, not the debris. Another feature that caught my attention was the built-in camera. It's perfect for remote monitoring. You can keep an eye on the process from anywhere. And with the time-lapse feature, you can capture every moment of your creation. Instant content for your projects. So is the Makera Z1 worth it? If you're looking for something that blends speed, precision, and a little bit of fun, this could be your new best friend in the workshop. No gimmicks, just solid features to boost your productivity. In short, it's legit. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews. Catch you next time.